Hello everyone, welcome back to Sporaria YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to adjust font size on Infinix Smart 8. Alright guys, if you are bothered to see that your font size is too big or too small, now you can adjust it easily guys. Okay, how to do that? It's quite easy. Now I'll show you how. Okay, the first thing first that you have to do is you can go to settings menu on your phone like this guys, and then here you can scroll down and go to display and brightness, and then over there you can scroll and go to font size guys. So the font size is still default size, and now you can adjust to make it smaller or bigger guys. So now in this case I will choose to be smaller than the default, and so yeah, this is the final look guys. Alright guys, so here's the tutorial on how to adjust font size on Infinix Smart 8, and don't forget to subscribe Spotter YouTube channel and get notified from it so you don't miss another interesting video from this channel. Thank you so much for watching.